Where's Walter? Where could he be?
Hi everyone! We are all familiar with keeping a clean house, right? At FSDB, that's a big job. Today we're going to learn some interesting facts about our household department. Let's go! Did you know we have our own laundry facility? FSDB has an average of 320 boarding students. So we wash over 640 bed sheets per week. That's 300 pounds of laundry per week. That's enough to cover almost 3 football fields. Many thanks to a wonderful staff in our household department for their amazing job they do. I'm Walter. Thank you for watching. Until next week, where will I be? Come by and see.